I'm out here doing my 45-minute workout, and as you can see, it's snowing pretty good. And it reminded me of what happens when you add new accounts to your credit. So for example, if you got a bunch of old accounts, they got late payments on it, maybe some charge-offs, collections, etc., just a bunch of nasty stuff. As you add new credit and you pay that on time and you manage that credit the way you're supposed to, it's a lot like snow. It covers up all the nastiness, covers up all the dirt. And when it all settles down, it's clean, it's crisp, and it's beautiful. And this is something that you can do to make your credit great again. One thing that you can do to cover up some of those mistakes and blemishes. Get new credit, manage it properly, make your payments on time, and wait. And eventually, your credit will be clean, pristine, crisp, and beautiful. Have a great day.